Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can reset the color settings on your windows. So if by accident or accidentally you have changed the color settings and you want to reset it to the default color settings, then let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to click on the start button and click on settings, or you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System, that's under Home. Then here you'll find Display, Monitors, Brightness, Night Light, Display Profile, click on that. Then simply scroll down and under Related Settings, you'll find Advanced Display, Display Information, Refresh Rate. So if you have multiple displays like display 1, display 2, display 3, and you want to reset the color for that specific display, then just simply select it from here. Click on this drop down arrow. So I have only one display, but if in your case you have multiple displays, then just simply choose the display from here that you're going to reset the color settings. And here you'll find the display information. And you'll find this option, display adapter properties for display 1. It could be for display 2, display 3. So click on it. Now this window will appear. The generic PNP monitor and Intel RU HD graphics properties, which has 3 tabs: adapter tab, monitor tab, and the color management tab. Click on the color management. Then here you'll find this color management. Click on that. This window will appear. Now let's just close this settings window. So this window will appear, which has also 3 tabs: devices, all profiles, and the advanced tab. Click on the advanced tab. And here at the bottom, you'll find this option, change system defaults. Click on that. Then another window will appear, which has also again 3 tabs: devices, all profiles, and the advanced tab. So click on the advanced. In here, you'll find 3 options: display calibration, calibrate display, reload current calibrations, use Windows display calibration. So if use Windows display calibration is unchecked in your case or in your Windows, just simply check this box. To use Windows display calibration, you have to check that box. Once done, close this and then close this window and then click on apply and then OK. And then you just have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart the Windows. So that's it. That's how you can easily reset the color settings on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.